They took my spoon.
Right here.
No.
Start button, so now you just have to hold it.
You turn on the stop button.
Okay. Hi everyone, we're at Mario. We got an early time ticket, like 9:10. As soon as we entered the park, they let us. We waited in line, I think at 8, but we got in at 8:23, which gave us enough time to order a time ticket. Ours was at 9:10, so we ended up going on the dinosaur ride, and then we came back and it was time to go. So we got our wristbands. She got Peach, and then I got Daisy, and we did a one little mini game that's not available in the U.S. So that was pretty cool. Mom got 2 pairs, and I got 3 of 1. So we're in line for the cafe. I'm hoping they have the food that I wanted, which wasn't available in the U.S. because they sold out. And there's no QR code for this. Like, you just wait in line for it. So hopefully we'll get in. And I'm very excited. The wait time for the Mario Kart is still as long as it was in the US, 110 minutes. Still the same. But yeah, we're very, very excited. And also apparently we have YouTubers behind us, the animation ones. So I guess that's cool. This is orange juice, guys. Orange juice because we're Team Daisy. Team Daisy. Daisy's gonna win. I can feel it. Even though we're currently in last place right now, we're gonna win.
Okay, done. This one.
Uh-huh.
Isn't this the same in the USA?
Different layout.
Is it different?
Different layout. Touch them. Here, try again. Oh, you got a coin. I think you're done.
I got some on my face. I put in the sun cream.
Okay, hi everyone. Newsflash, the Harry Potter ride here at Japan is way better than the US because there's a breathing dragon that breathes fire onto you, and then they've got the little dementors that come towards you, and the spiders squirt liquid and you go into the person's mouth, and there's an extra scene in there. It's just a lot better. I'll definitely be riding it again. The wizard is different here in Japan. Ollivanders, they always have an old man wizard do it, but in the US version they don't care. They just have whatever cast member they have, female, man, whatever in between, it doesn't matter. They literally just film out, and they're usually young, but here they're always, you know, aged up over here. So it's very interesting. They put more detail and more effort. And the cast member is always Caucasian, from what I can tell. They're not Asian for the Ollivanders here. Bakugo! It's definitely spicy, and it packs a punch. Whew. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, you're here to see my haul. The bag itself is a souvenir. The first one today is, Detective Conan. They only allowed us to have 3. Not limited. They only let us have 3 of these, so I only bought 3. But they look nice. Ooh, it's the egg from when Harry Potter competed for the champions. Except it's like a little jewelry box instead. Here's another Detective Conan. See? I want the emerald thing. The emerald thing. Dee. Ooh. It's a wand, Harry Potter's wand, but it's also a pen. Here's the other one. Oh, here's My Hero Academia. Acrylic pen stand. They also limited only 3. Here's the other 2. Ooh, here's the pin collection. Pins collection. I think I bought 10 of those because they're random. And here's the charm collection. I bought 9 of those. Oh, look at this. We got a Yoshi card holder thingy. Yeah, Yoshi card holder thingy. We got coin purses. A Shy Guy. More of these. A power-up key. And Hogwarts earrings. Here's Slytherin. Gryffindor. Ravenclaw. And Hufflepuff. And this is what the bag goes into when it's all empty. And that's it. Okey-dokey. It's pistachio. We kind of already ate it already. Okay, newsflash. It's raining so much that we've decided to leave the park early. I think it's like maybe 2 or 3 p.m. or something. But it's raining, all the roller coasters are closed, so we didn't get to do the Hollywood one, which is quite unfortunate because I paid money for that one. And then, Demon Slayer, we went on that one, and that one was really cool. They had the VR headset and everything. I hated it when the ride stopped in the middle because then everything like bugged out, but other than that it was like really fun. We went on the Yoshi ride and it was wet. I'm not sure how we were supposed to play that game, but we did the ride. It was fun. I also paid for that, but I didn't use Fast Pass for that because it was only 20 minutes to wait in line and no one was in the line because everyone was wet. I ate a lot of food, tried a lot of stuff. We're trying to go soon, and I wanted the Jaws drink and I didn't get it because the stall closed because it was raining so much. But other than that, that's our update. Why is it raining? It's too windy to have your umbrellas out, so we're trying to rush in the rain. It's soaking wet. Okay, this probably isn't an accurate depiction because there's not a lot of puddles, but there was a huge amount of puddles in the park. But we left. We got our merchandise, last minute shopping. Now we're heading back to the hotel as quickly as possible before we get a cold. Although I kind of already have one. So, we'll see. Okay, we're here with round number 2. I'm going to open them off camera because it's a little hard to do everything. But, yeah. Charm collection. See if you can collect all. Pin collection. See if you can collect all. We're trying to get Peach. We haven't got her yet. Here's all the rest of the stuff that I bought. Okay, so we made it to the Marriott Hotel, and this is the hangars. We have a mirror. We're in Awaji, and the sink is out here. The bathroom is right there, and then the shower is right here. And then we're sharing one bed. TV. I think it's kind of quaint in the middle of nowhere, but yeah. Oh, it's over here. It's a bunch of stamps we gotta collect, I guess. Oh. I think this one's like a stamp for all the characters that you have. Oh.
That one.
Look at this caterpillar, it's like freaking hairy. Naruto, Sasuke. One is Ichiraku ramen and one is the Akatsuki ramen. And then we get these coasters that are random. We got Orochimaru, Tsunade, Boruto, and Sakura. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's the last hotel. So this is Hotel Nexus. Here's the bathroom, toilet. It's not clean. See those little spots? That wasn't us. It was not cleaned beforehand. Kind of makes me scared. Only a little bit. And there's a desk. And there's the bed. And that's it. You know, we're only gonna stay here for one night, so it's probably not gonna be that bad. But the mirror cleaning kind of concerns me. Hello everyone, we're at the airport. We're going to head to Korea now for the next trip. Japan is sadly over. This is my last drink, and I officially only have 5 cents left out of the 1,000 yen that I brought. So that was pretty cool. And we're waiting to go to Korea. Hopefully we land and everything is great. I heard that there was going to be extra security over there for some reason from June 1st to June 6th. That's so unfortunate. But yeah, Japan was great, aside from getting sick. Oh, right, I didn't even tell you. Yeah, I got sick, like, within Disneyland, and so I had to give up half of my day there, and then we had to give up half of my day in Universal Studio. But yeah, I mean, it was interesting. I think I didn't film as much as I did in the beginning. Kind of gave up on the makeup as well. But very excited. And this is tomato juice, like, or tomato soup basically. I'm essentially drinking cold tomato soup. But see you guys later. Bye.